In this class I am going to explain departmentation. In the last class we have seen that functions of office manager. In this class I am going to explain departmentation. Okay. And need for departmentation in the office. Need for departmentation in the office. So what do you mean by departmentation? It is the process by which activities or functions of the enterprise or business are grouped homogeneously into different groups Departmentation is the process of dividing the entire office into different departments, different parts or different sections according to their activities. Okay, what do you mean by departmentation? If the organization is big, there are so many activities will be there in the organization. Okay, if the organization is big, there are so many activities in the organization. So according to their activities, according to their functions, the entire or the big office is divided into different departments. So this is called as departmentation. Departmentation is the process by which activities or functions of the enterprise are grouped homogeneously into different groups, into different departments. Departmentation is the process of dividing the entire office into different parts or different sections. Okay. Then what is the need for departmentation? Okay, so what is the need for departmentation? And departmentation is based on size of the organization. If the size of the organization is big, so the large organization, the activities are more. Okay, so if the organization is very big, organization activities also wider and large. The total organization activities cannot be maintained by a single office. In that situation, departmentation is needed. If the organization is big, the departmentation is needed. If the organization is small, there will be some less activities. There is no need of departments. Okay, so then next, technological changes, technological changes and consumer preferences. So technological changes, so day by day the technology is changing rapidly. So in society there will be a need of some old technology, old items, and new technology, new items. So based on the technological changes, the departmentation will be done. Then next to consumer preferences. Okay, according to the taste, choice or preference of the consumer also, the office is divided into different sections, different departments. Based on the consumer preferences, consumer choice also, the office divided into different sections and different departments. Okay, then for better coordination and control over administration. So one large office cannot be maintained by a single office manager. Okay, if the organization is big, there are so many activities will be there in the organization. So those all activities cannot be maintained by a single office properly. So in that situation, the departmentation is needed. Okay, so then single executive cannot manage unlimited number of subordinates. Okay, need for job specialization in large business organization. So in the large business organization, every person need to be appointed on their skills. Every person is need to be appointed by on their skills. Okay, the fixation of responsibility for task assigned. Then next, functional department meaning. A department which performs a distinct functions is called functional department. So now the modern offices are divided into departments based on their functions. Okay, so based on their function, the departmentation will be done. Okay, so in the modern offices there will be purchase department, sales department, production, personnel, correspondence department, to cash department, to accounts department. So there are so many departments in a modern office. Based on their departments or based on their activities by the departments, the departmentation is done. Okay, functional department should have a distinct area, division or branch, a manager to perform the specified activity. Okay, so every functional department needs a clerical or office services. Every functional departments need clerical or office services. Each functional department may have a sectional office. Coordination of functional department is a job of general or administrative office. Coordination of functional departments is the job of general or administrative office. Every functional department needs a clerical or office services. Each functional department have a sectional office. Coordination of functional departments is the job of general or administrative office. Okay, so clerical jobs, correspondence, filing, duplicating, mailing, etc. are centralized at one place. Clerical jobs, correspondence, filing, duplicating, mailing, etc. are centralized at one place. Based on their activities, the functional departments in a modern office are production department, purchases department, sales department, accounts department, personnel department, dispatch or mailing department. These are the different kinds of departments in a modern office. Okay, so I will explain about the individual departments in the next classes. Okay, thank you.